The couched circle is a beautiful application of the surface couching stitch. We begin by dividing the circle into sections like a pie. Begin stitching from the inside of the circle. Bring out the thread you want to lay, leave it open. Next, bring out another thread to anchor the laid thread down. Now, you must be mindful of creating the anchors only on the stitch lines that divide the circle. As your couch circle progresses, you will see a beautiful pattern emerging. To end, thread back the laid thread and pass it through the fabric. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have. Also, check out our bookstore with ebooks for learners at different levels. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you for watching.